Hello there and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video. And in this video I want to show you how you can add a new column in a Power BI table which we have created using the enter data functionality. So if you have remember, I've shown you about how you can create one manual table, something directly within the Power BI. That is something useful whenever we have any custom needs. Like in one of the previous example, we created a measures table, right? So if I go back over here, so something like we created a table for total profit, total revenues, and the table is over here, dynamic measure. It was created using this enter data functionality, and over here the table is quite simple. It has the measure and it has the position, because with the help of position we can utilize the position value in the conditional formatting. What if you have to add one more column, right? So something like you have this way, write a DAX expression that creates a new column, right? But this is something you need to write a DAX expression for this. But what if you simply wants to create a new column where it gives you the interface, like for example the same enter data, something like this, where you simply add more column to it, to the existing, let's say existing table is coming here and you have plus icon to add the data. So I found it like in one of the scenarios that I have to add it. It's not quite straightforward, so I thought of doing a bit of a research, and now after spending like 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, I have a clear way as to how to go about it. Okay, and before I share that, quick information that this Google Sheet, which contains all of my previously created Power BI tutorials, is present in the description. With the help of this, you can come over here using the link that is in the description and search any of my previous 198 videos and jump to that using the link present in column B. Also, there are some exercises which I'm doing with the help of the Workout Wednesday, and as I'm doing, I'm just adding some of my own experience to it and publishing the video using the video link. Also, you have the actual link of the Workout Wednesday site for their exercises. So just to make life a little simpler in terms of searching it. Okay, with that information, let's come to the Power BI. So what if we have to add something like maybe weight or something like that? So anyhow, if a new column needs to be created, you need to come over here, right click on the edit query. When you move into the edit query, you will going to get the setting like this, where you have this options like you have measures and position, but still over here one of the ways is you have add column. Over here you can go column from examples and from all columns and from selection, but still it is not giving you the interface, and that's what mainly I wanted to show you how you can get it. So the way you can get it is by using the query settings, properties, and over here if you click on the source, right, it basically gives you the same interface where you have these two columns, and then you can click on plus, and let's say what I said is weight, and high, let's say medium, let's say low, just some dummy example I'm creating. Click OK, and you have this value, you close and apply, and it should give in couple of seconds here output. So just wanted to show you same interface without having to add any write any DAX expression or any conditional column or anything. Just get whatever you need by simply right clicking over here, go to edit query, and then from there go to the source, so using the settings, and it basically shows you the table. Go ahead and add, edit, delete, whatever you want. So something I found it useful in those tricky scenarios, and I hope you will enjoy it whenever you need such scenario. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.